Hello everyone, welcome to Yoga 360 Wellness, your own virtual yoga studio. These days our screen time has increased, be it watching TV, staring at your mobile phone, watching Netflix. If you look at all the activities which we do, we have some kind of a screen time which is there involved. And particularly even for the kids, with all the online classes going on, for all of us who are working from home, sitting in front of your laptop for hours together, it actually increases stress on your eyes. So, what can you do with it? So, yoga can really help you, and today I'm going to share with you some yoga practices which will help you to strengthen your eyes in some sort of eye exercises. So, let us get started. So, we'll do some eye rotations first. For eye rotations, stretch your arm and keep looking at your thumb, and you have to make some nice rotations, so big circles like this. Without actually turning your head, you need to keep looking at your thumb and make some clockwise big circles. So you'll feel nice stretch in your eyes. And likewise, you can do it anti-clockwise as well. Keep looking at your thumb without turning your neck. Without turning your neck, with a smiling face. So you'll see a lot of stretch which happens in your eyes. So this is one. The other one is you have to stretch your hands like this and keep looking at your right thumb and left thumb, right and left, right and left. One more time, right and left. So like this, you are actually stretching your eyes rightward, right and leftward. Other one is you keep your left hand on your left knee in Merudanda Mudra and stretch your right hand up and look at your right thumb and left thumb, right and left, right and left. One more time, right and left. So feel that stretch. Likewise, your right hand on your right knee, left hand up, and then you look at your right thumb and left thumb, right and left, right and left, right and left. So this way you get this diagonal. And the other one is you keep your hand on your leg, right hand up and look up and down, up and down, up and down. One more time, up and down. So you can do it as many times, maybe 10 times if you want. Other good one is called Nasika Agra Drishti. So the way it is done is you have to keep your thumb closer to your nose and keep looking at your thumb and take it away from the nose. Keep focusing on your thumb, bring it closer to your nose and away from your nose, closer to your nose and away from your nose. So these are some eye exercises which can really help you. And the last one is you have to make a cup shape of your palms, close your eyes, feel the darkness and blink inside. Blink, blink, blink. Blink 10 times. And that blinking will also give you some nice exercises on your eyes. And through the gap of your fingers, open your eyes with a beautiful smile. So I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like. And if you want to know more such tips, join my session live. Details are there on my website yoga360wellness.com. I'll be coming up with more such small yoga tips for you. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay safe, and I look forward to meeting you in my next video. Thank you so much for joining. Om Namah Shivaya.